we're now going to correct our spiral math review for Tuesday, March 17th. That's day 2. And on the very first one, I can use any strategy to solve 31 plus 48. Now, you could have used regrouping, a number line, breaking apart, any strategy you want. I'm going to choose compensation because 31 is so close to 30. And I know that I can add any number with 30 very easily in my head because 30 has a 0 in the ones place. So in my head, I'm going to be thinking, I'm going to move 1 away from from 31, and the new number will be 30. And I'm going to move it over here to the 48. So now that will be 49. So I can easily think in my head, 30 plus 49 equals 79. Any strategy you did, you should have equaled 79 as your answer. Next, Jake has 7 dimes, 1 quarter, and a $half. We need to find out how much money he has altogether. I'm going to start off with 7 dimes. A dime is 10 cents. If I have 7 of them, 7 tens is 70. So I'm going to put that down as 70 cents. 7 tens, right? Good. 1 quarter is 25 cents. $1/2 is 50 cents. Now we have to find out how much he has all together. That means we're adding. In the ones place, I get 5 cents. And in the tens place, I get 9 plus 5 more would be 14 tens. So I put a 4 and then a 1 in the hundreds place, 145 cents. Or we know another way to write 145 cents is $1.45. We put the decimal point after the hundreds place. All right, on the clock, we need to draw the hands this time to show 10:55. 10:55, oh, that is so close to 11 o'clock. So my shorthand is going to look like it's actually touching the 11, but it is not 11 yet. It is very close to the 11. For 55 minutes, I'm going to count around by 5s to find where 55 lands. Another strategy is to think, well, I know the whole way around is 60, and 55 is only 5 less than 60, so I could also just go backwards by 1. And we'll see if we count around, or if we go backwards by 1, 55 would land on the 11. So my longhand, I'm going to draw another longhand here, should be at the 11. All right, now Jared went to the store. We need to find out what time it is. I'm looking, that's at in between the 4 and the 5. So the hour is in between 4 o'clock and 5 o'clock. It is still 4 o'clock. And if we count around by 5s, when it's at the 6, we get to 4:30. Now I need to decide AM or PM. If he's going to the store, remember, we usually wake up around 6 a.m. and we go to bed around 8 p.m. So 4:30 would make sense that he would go to the store at 4:30 p.m. He's probably still asleep at 4:30 a.m. Lastly, we need to shade in all the quadrilaterals. Now this is our new topic we haven't learned yet. Quadrilaterals means 4. So I need to find any shape that has 4 sides. So I'm going to count. Does the rectangle have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it does. So I shade that in. Does this trapezoid have 4 sides? Yes, it does. Shade it in. What about the triangle? 1, 2, 3. No, that's only 3, so that's not a quadrilateral. The square, oh, that has 4 sides. That is a quadrilateral. The circle does not have any sides. That is not one. Diamond shape. Yep, 4 sides. And lastly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Does this equal a quadrilateral? No, that is 5 sides, not 4. So these are the shapes that would be quadrilaterals. All right, on Friday, you're going to take a picture of your entire sheet to send to me. I don't need it today. I'll see it then.